Hello everyone, it's Crypto Knight from the Crypto Money Movers. And today we're going to talk about how to avoid being scammed. But before we get into all that, I want you to like, subscribe, and follow Crypto Money Movers, the place you go to find out everything you need to know about crypto. Hey, let's jump into it. How to avoid getting scammed. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you pick a solid exchange, something like Coinbase, Kraken, or even Binance. So if you go in and you have money in these exchanges, they'll be protected through the FDIC. Another thing you want to be wary of is do not pick a project that's too good to be true. If they say you can put in $100 and you're gonna make 100 million, that's probably something that you want to be very wary of. Another thing you want to do is double check your URLs. Scammers will copy a URL and make it something really similar to your exchange URL, but be something different. And when you click on that and you go in and you type in your information, your money can be gone in an instant. So make sure that you always double check your URLs. And another thing, make sure that you do research on all your projects. That's what we do. On Crypto Money Movers, we're constantly researching projects, looking at projects that may be the next best thing or next big fit or good investment for any and all people watching the show. So if you come to us, we're definitely going to help you pick out projects that we feel that are strong and have a lot of potential for growth. And I hope those are some good tips to help you avoid getting scammed. That's all for now. Hey, follow us at Crypto Money Movers. Like, subscribe. Looking to see you soon. Crypto Knight out.